Hi guys, it's Nikki with Nikki Speaks, and I am back with another video. We'll be getting into Stefon Diggs, his recent arraignments, but before we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get right into Stefon Diggs and his legal mess. So it looks like Stefon Diggs decided to switch attorneys the day before his arraignment. If you guys remember, these charges are stemming from an alleged assault on his personal chef last year. At the time, he retained attorney Michael DeStefano. Well, TMZ is reporting that he has now, as of yesterday, he has switched attorneys, and now Sarah Civil is his new attorney and now representing him in this case. Now, the reason why a lot of people are raising their eyebrows is because not only is his arraignment, was his arraignment 24 hours later, and that was a swift move, but it was also a bold move in a lot of people's opinion. But then you also have some people saying that, you know what, Cardi B snatched her attorney back. And I just want to state this and clear this up. As far as I know, Michael DeStefano has never represented Cardi B and does not currently represent Cardi B. We all know that Cardi B has a dynamic legal team, but Michael DeStefano has not been a part of that, as far as I'm able to determine. Now, you have other people saying that she was paying for his attorney. So she was the one that retained Michael DeStefano on Stefan Diggs' behalf. Now, that I don't know, but they're saying that's why he did do the switch at such a late date. Well, his arraignment was this morning, and he did plead not guilty. The arraignment was extremely quick. All arraignments typically are. Charges are read, and you put in your plea. The judge pretty much gives you instructions from there, and it's all over. Nothing was different in this case. He pleaded not guilty. The judge said that, he would be released on his own recognizance. There was a bond set that he did pay. So let's keep in mind, guys, this is not a civil suit. A civil suit is a suit where someone files against you and there is no chance of you going to jail. This particular case is not that. It is criminal. And so he did have to post bond. That was done last year. And the judge upheld that, saying that we're not going to take you into custody today. We're going to release you on your own recognizance, but you cannot have any contact with the victim, whether it's in person or by third party. So those are the conditions, and he's due back in court in April. So you guys let me know what you think about this situation. I feel like it's extremely serious. I also feel as though even if he decides to settle this, because a lot of people saying that he'll try to settle before it actually goes to court. And when they say settle, not settle with the victim, because again, this is criminal. He may take some sort of plea deal, may take something under the table. He may bargain with the prosecutors. Who knows? A lot of people are anticipating that so that he can just put this behind him and get back to football. But let's be very clear. The NFL is still waiting to conduct their investigation. They're waiting for this to play out, this part to play out to see what happens, to determine if they're going to pull him. His team is also, there's talks on his team about possibly, pulling out of his 3-year contract because of caps and things like that. So this has a huge impact on the rest of his professional career. But you guys let me know what you think down in the comment section. I am going to drop some footage from this morning's arraignment. He didn't appear confident at all. He almost appeared teary-eyed or as though he had been crying. You can tell that there was some sort of emotion going on with him. He appeared to be very, very sullen. And he did arrive to court by himself. So he didn't have any family members with him. He didn't have his mother or his brother by his side. But in his defense and in their defense, the arraignment was really less than a few minutes. It was nothing long, nothing drawn out, and I don't think it was expected to be. I'm pretty sure that he'll have family members for the April court date, But yeah, it was really just his legal team and then of course all of the court reporters. But you guys let me know what you think down in the comment section. Do you think that Cardi B was the one who actually retained his first attorney? Do you think that when she cut ties with him, she maybe stopped paying the attorney, or she told him, hey, you need to find somebody else, or she told him, you need to pay this attorney? Or do you think Diggs is just the petty type and Cardi B did retain this attorney for him, and when they split, he was like, "You know what? I'm cutting all ties with you." So the attorney that you were paying for, I don't even want a connection to that attorney because I don't want that attorney to feel as though they can provide you with information about my case. So I'm going to get somebody totally different. Or do you think, hey, listen, it has nothing to do with Cardi B at all. She's detached herself from him. And why are we still bringing Cardi B up? That's what I wonder sometimes myself. But a lot of people are talking, and I want to get your opinion. So let me know down in the comment section what you think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video.
This matter is a matter of the Commonwealth versus Stefon Diggs.
Good morning, ADA Drew Virtue for the Commonwealth.
Good morning, Your Honor. Name's Federal for this case.
Waiving the reading, sir?
Yes, Mr. President.
Not guilty plea will enter.
All right. Cowell, any requests?
Commonwealth's pressing a stay away, no contact from the victim, including third-party contact.
Any objections?
No.
All right, those orders one.
And next date, sir, April 1st.
We can get April 1st for pretrial motions.
Pretrial hearing motions.
All right.
So, sir, on this matter will be continued until April 1st, 2026 at 9 a.m. As for a pretrial hearing, being released today on your own personal recognizance with the conditions of your release. Stay to stay away and have no contact with the named victim, and that includes third-party contact. Please be advised that you violate the terms of your release, or if you commit a new criminal offense during the pendency of this case, your bail or personal recognizance could be revoked, and you can be held without bail for up to 90 days. So that's April 1st at 9, sir. Please see probation today before you leave. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Following is
You want to stop and make a statement? I'll give you a statement. You want to stop and make a statement?
That he is completely innocent of these false allegations that have been alleged against him. We're confident that after the facts and evidence are reviewed in this case, he will be completely exonerated. Thank you.
Could you give us some of those facts?
Not at this time, but they will be presented, and when they are presented, it will paint a very different picture, and we're very confident that he will be exonerated.
Is he still seeking a monetary settlement?
Thank you.
Is he still trying to resolve this?
What was
monetary
the reason behind the last-minute change in legal teams?
No last-minute change. I've been representing Mr. Diggs for several